Hello friends, let's learn how to factorize completely. Welcome, it's your science tutor. In this video, we shall be factorizing completely the equation f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now, factorizing completely is more of like finding the roots of the equation. So how do we get started? We are given a question on the board. Now we simply begin by thinking of a number such that when substituted into this equation, it's going to yield a 0. So we begin by guessing. So let's begin by saying put x equals 1 into this equation. Remember, f of x could be y equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. So let's substitute x equals 1 into f of x. So that means f of 1 will simply be 1 cubed minus 2 into 1 squared minus 5 into 1 plus 6. So this gives us 1 square is 1 times 2, 1 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6, which automatically gives us 1 minus 1 or 1 plus 6, which is 7, and then minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. So we have 7 minus 7 to be equal to 0. Now, for the fact that we are able to obtain the value 0, it simply means for f of 1, it gives us a 0. That means x minus 1 based on f of 1. So x minus 1 is a factor. That means it is divisible by this polynomial. So we say x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial x cubed as shown on the board. So it's a factor of the polynomial stated on the board. So the next thing we do, we simply use f of 1, which is x minus 1, and then we divide by x minus 1 using the equation. So we simply have it in this form. Remember, our divisor becomes x minus 1, while our dividend takes the equation x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. So we simply begin division. So x into x cubed gives us an x squared. So x squared times x gives us x cubed, minus 1 times x squared gives us minus x squared. We subtract. So this terminates. Remember, minus minus is a plus. So minus 2x squared plus x squared gives us a minus x squared. We bring down minus 5x plus 6. And then we divide again. X into x squared, this is minus because of this sign. So we have x, we multiply x times x, then x squared, obeying our sign convention. This is a minus. So we have minus 1 times minus x. Minus minus is a plus. Then 1 times x is an x. We subtract again, such that minus times minus gives us a plus. So automatically, this cancels out. We are left with minus 5x minus times plus is a minus, so minus 5x minus x gives us minus 6x. Then we bring down our plus 6, and then we divide again. So x into minus 6x gives us minus 6. And then we multiply, so this minus 6 times x is minus 6x. Minus times minus is a plus, 1 times 6 is a 6. We subtract again, minus times minus is a plus, so automatically we have 0 here. Minus times plus is a minus, automatically we have 0 here. At the end of the day, we are able to get a quadratic equation as our quotient, which certainly it's going to be factorizable. Remember, we've had one of the factors to be x minus 1, where we started from, of which we divided by this factor and we obtained x squared minus x minus 6. So we simply factorize the equation x squared minus x minus 6 to be equal to 0 to find the other factors. So let's factorize x squared. We have the minus 6, 2 and 3, 2x and 3x, making use of minus and plus. You can also use plus 2x and minus 3x, of which both will give us a minus 6x. That is first times the last. So we think we look through the one that will give us the middle term, which is a minus x. So we go for the second one. Plus 2x minus 3x will solve the problem. So let's substitute. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 equals 0. Grouping terms together, grouping 2 by 2, and then collecting like terms. So like term here, we bring out x into x plus 2. This is a minus. Like terms here, we have 3 into x plus 2, which is 0. So the rule is what you have in bracket ought to be the same, so we pick one. We have x plus 2, and then we have x minus 3 to be equal to 0. At the end of the day, solving this equation simply gives us x to be equal to minus 2, or x is equal to 3. Bottom line is this: we have been able to obtain the other roots of the polynomial. The first one is x plus 2, and the second one is x minus 3. Together with the previous, we have as x minus 1. Bottom line, solution to the problem, factorizing completely yields the three factors. The first is x minus 1, the second is x plus 2, and the third is and x minus 3, just as shown below here. Now, these three factors satisfies this polynomial, x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. I'm sure we got value from this video. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, I will always say thank you for showing up. See you for more videos. Bye for now.